Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Stories podcast, episode 12. Have you ever wanted to comfort a friend in English but didn't know what to say? Maybe someone lost something, failed a test, or had a tough day. Today we're going to learn how to express sympathy naturally in English, so you can respond with kindness and understanding. Let me tell you a story. Last week, my friend Anna called me sounding upset. She had missed an important meeting at work because of traffic. At first, I wasn't sure what to say, but then I remembered some simple English phrases that showed empathy. I said, "I'm so sorry to hear that. That must have been really stressful for you." Anna sighed and smiled a little. Then she told me another problem. Her laptop had stopped working. I said, "Oh no, that sounds frustrating. I hope you can get it fixed quickly." By the end of our conversation, Anna felt much better. I realized that expressing sympathy is not about giving solutions, but about showing understanding and care. And that's exactly what we'll practice today. Now, let's look at the words and phrases you can use to express sympathy. I'll divide them into 3 groups. Number 1, general sympathy phrases. "I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds really difficult. I can't imagine how you feel." Example, "I'm sorry to hear that you missed your meeting. That must have been stressful." Number 2, expressing understanding or concern. "That must be tough for you. I know how that feels. It sounds frustrating." Example, "Your laptop stopped working? That sounds frustrating." Number 3, offering gentle support without giving solutions. "I hope things get better soon. If you need someone to talk to, I'm here. I hope everything works out." Example, "I hope your day gets better." When expressing sympathy, a few grammar points are especially useful. Number 1, present simple or past simple to describe the problem. You missed your meeting. Your laptop stopped working. Number 2, modal verbs for expressing concern or hope. Must, "That must be frustrating." Can't, "I can't imagine how you feel." Hope, "I hope things get better soon." Number 3, phrases for empathy. "I'm sorry to hear that." Use with past or present problem. "That sounds" plus adjective. "If you need" plus offer support. So, now when a friend or colleague faces a problem, you'll know exactly what to say to show sympathy in English. Today, practice these phrases. Think of a friend who had a tough day, or imagine someone telling you a problem. Say aloud, "I'm sorry to hear that. That must be hard. I hope things get better soon." Even practicing by yourself will make you more confident in real conversations. Thanks for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning English in fun and practical ways. See you next time.